So today I'm going to teach you a quick little exercise that's going to help you work on your spots and getting those shoulders around for your spots. This will eventually help you with your pirouettes and your open turns and any other turn you can think of, but we're going to take it back to the basics today and work on some chaînés. So I'm going to break this exercise down first with counts and then I'll demo it with music because it's more fun to do it to music across the floor. So you're going to start with 2 low chaînés and then moving into fast chaînés. So for our low chaînés, we're actually going to open up to the opposite wall instead of opening up to the mirror like you normally would in a chaîné. So we're going to open up to the opposite wall and chaîné low. 1, 2, chaîné 3, 4. Now you're going to pick it up and do really fast chaînés. For this, you want to really focus on your spots and really focus on your shoulders coming around every single time as you spot. So you're here 3, 4, you're going to go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 to start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All the way across the floor. So make sure that when you're doing this exercise that you are spotting really, really hard and really sharp, and also that your shoulders aren't getting left behind as you're doing that spot, but they're coming with you. Once you try it with those 2 low chaînés, maybe switch it up, and instead of doing the 2 low chaînés, add piqués in at the beginning, or get creative and add whatever you want, but keep those fast chaînés in at the end. Have fun!